Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to share Telegram channel link. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you will just simply go to the chat section at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will just simply select the channel that you want to share. I can select this channel. After selecting the channel, you will just simply click on the channel's name at the top middle of the screen, and here now you can tap on edit at the top right corner of the screen. You will just simply scroll down, and here you will see the second option, that is invite links. Tap on it. You will just simply copy the link to share this, and you will also share directly. You can now tap on share, and here you will just simply share all of these contacts, and now you will just simply click on the arrow icon at the top right side of the screen, and here you will just simply invite the other persons at this link. And this is the way you can share link on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.